Jula Jewelry is marketed as a handcrafted premium jewelry boutique with emotional storytelling, huge discounts, and elegant-looking rings and necklaces. But the real question is it actually a legit jewelry store or just another AI-driven e-commerce operation? Now, to be fair, Jula Jewelry does appear to process and ship at least some customer orders. This does not look like a completely fake website that disappears after taking payments. What it does well, the website presentation looks polished. The branding, photography, and emotional storytelling are designed to make the store feel premium and trustworthy. The jewelry designs are visually appealing. Minimalist rings, necklaces, and gemstone pieces are heavily styled for social media-friendly marketing, where the major red flags begin. The reviews are extremely mixed. This is the biggest warning sign. Jula Jewelry currently holds a low Trustpilot score with many complaints involving cheap materials, fake stones, and disappointing quality. Many customers claim the jewelry feels fake or low quality. Multiple reviewers describe receiving jewelry that looked mass-produced plastic-like or far cheaper than advertised. The handcrafted luxury branding is questioned heavily. Several investigations suggest the store may rely on drop-shipping style sourcing while marketing the jewelry as artisan-made. So is Jula Jewelry real or fake? Short answer, probably a real operating store, but with major quality and trust concerns. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.